Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on a shampoo and conditioner that I got from the dollar store, Dollar Tree. And it's the Beauty and Hair Care Power Stick for Her, pure sulfate-free color protection with coconut oil and geranium oil. Now, coconut oil is supposed to be good for your hair, but then I also hear bad things like it'll cause buildup and stuff on your hair. And I've never heard anything about geranium oil, which geranium is a flower, so yeah, these are what the tubes look like. Now, originally I had just gotten the Strengthen and Repair shampoo, and it's supposed to protect against heat and damage. And you get 6.5 fluid ounces or 192 milliliters. So, this is what the claims are. It's specially formulated to help repair and protect against daily color foes that can strip, dull, or damage. Deeply moisturizes overprocessed hair to help restore shine and softness. Our formulas are non-stripping and made for color-treated hair, always sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate, phthalate-free, cruelty-free, and 100% gentle. See your natural beauty in bloom. Okay, so when I first got this, I only used the shampoo, and the it's not bad. It's a clear shampoo. It has no colors at all. It looks just like this, and it has a coconut oil. Well, it has a coconut scent, but like it's like a chemical coconut scent. It's not. I don't know. Yeah, it's like a chemical coconut scent. It's not the best smelling stuff. I did use this. I did notice that dye was coming out of my hair when I was rinsing it. It does lather, which some of these don't lather. Um, yeah, I'll take a picture of the bottles and I'll insert them, but if you want to pause this video and read the ingredients. Um, this is made in the USA, well, manufactured in the USA, unlike the leave-in conditioner I reviewed. So it says it's New Brunswick, New Jersey. Then it says made in the USA with domestic and imported components. So as you can see, it has all the like sulfate-free, paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, and dye-free. So it has all of them. I mean, it's good that it's all of them, but I don't know. And then it lathers, and then when I rinse it out, my hair kind of feels really dry. Like, I understand that shampoo is only supposed to clean your hair, but usually with shampoo, like, your hair still has some sort of softness, but my hair just felt rough and, like, almost had, like, a straw-like texture. Now, I did use this before I got my haircut, and, my hair's already damaged. It's been bleached, it's been processed, it's been dyed, all that. Well, I used this after I got my haircut, and there was no, like, dry ends or whatever, and it still did that. It just felt really like rough and dry, and I don't know. Maybe this like strips out all the like gunk you have built up afterwards, but other than that, I don't know. So I don't really know if I'd recommend this if you have already damaged dry hair, because this will probably like make it more damaged and more dry. But I'm gonna probably, I don't know if I'm gonna use this, to be honest. I might just throw this out because I mean it was only $1. Now, I had found the conditioner and I was kind of happy to, because then I had the set. It's the same claims, only this is specially formulated to help repair and protect against daily color well, okay, it's basically the same claims as this one, only this is a conditioner. Now, I don't really like this. I don't. The only reason why is because with conditioner, I like it to be a little bit on the thick side, because then I feel like it's working. I'm gonna shake this and I'm gonna let you hear like how watery this is. Like, do you hear how watery that is? Like I said, I like my conditioners more on the thicker side, and this is just a very watery consistency. Like, as you can see, it looks really gross, but it's just used quite a bit of this because I felt like it was not doing anything with my hair, and that's probably also why my hair kind of feels like a little extra greasy today. Normally my hair is fine like the day after, and then normally second or third day is when like I start feeling like my hair needs to be washed. However, with having colored hair, I try not to wash my hair too much. I probably can go like 2 to 3 days without washing my hair. And I don't use dry shampoo or anything. My hair is usually up in a messy bun or a ponytail. I'm just gonna be real with you. But like I said, this, like, look, it just falls out. I don't really like the consistency. It's slow. Like, do you see how it's like running really easily? I don't like that. I like to have my conditioner on the thicker side. However, that being said, with it being on the runnier side, it is kind of easier to like run it through your hair. Like, what I normally do is I put like a decent size amount on my palm, and then I go like this and rub it through my hair. But and I just like wash my body and then I rinse it out. It does condition the hair, but I still had to go in with my leave-in conditioner. And yeah, and this is a more like, oh wow, I just got it all over my computer. That's lovely. Now, scent wise, this is it's a more potent coconut scent, but again, it's like chemically. I used to really like coconut scents. I think with age and like with me like getting older, I don't really like the scent anymore. I mean, if you are in a pinch and you desperately need like something to wash your hair and condition your hair, like definitely like these won't, break the bank. But if you are looking for like a good quality, like sulfate free color protective hair, like care system, this definitely would not be it. I literally would not like go out with this in mind to like maintain the healthy hair. I don't recommend it as far as that goes. And I did see that they had a shampoo and conditioner for blonde hair. Now, I don't have blonde hair, so I didn't get it. I'm not sure how that would work out, but I mean, I guess it's cool that Power Stick is branching out with their like hair stuff, but I just really didn't like this. I hope this was helpful for you. If you want, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to like comment or send me a message or something. But yeah, I won't be repurchasing these in the future just because I don't feel like they really did anything good for my hair. But yeah, that's just my personal opinions. This is just a review. I feel like I was talking in circles, but I hope that I got like my point across. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Like I said, if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment or send me a message. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.